Hi everyone, I'm sorry I cannot be there today to participate in the showcase, but I hope you enjoyed the movie that I made of my Canvas site.
Let's jump in the Canvas course. This is the homepage with the lovely banner that John helped me make. I use one of the templates that is provided by Emory. I would say that the template helped me guide through how to structure the page. And I think one of the things that I got most out of this teaching with Canvas cohort has been to really think about the course objective and the objective for each different module. So the homepage has the objective, and then I divided the course into 6 separate modules that are structured that way because this class is nicely divided into those 6 modules by the type of topics that are typically taught in any statistic course. The students can reach each module from here directly. Um, and I have not yet developed all the modules. I'll show you one different one later on. I had one big advantage, which was that I'm actually teaching the course this semester. Obviously, my Canvas site at the moment is not as sophisticated as this one, was well defined, but I had the chance to test a few things before making sure that it would work well in Canvas next semester. Here I have the syllabus for the class. What here I included most of the things that are important, and then a link to the full syllabus here. I like to be well organized so the students have exactly idea what's coming up, so all the homeworks are set up. They can also be accessed on the calendar, and they can see exactly where they are in their assignment and what's coming up. I also have the link to the instructor page with pictures and my short bio that I may still edit as I go along. My modules contain they're all almost set up. I'm still tweaking them. They can be reached on from the module sections or also from the home page by clicking on the corresponding module. The module that I would like to show you in particular is module number 4, which is about sampling probability and estimations, where I spend some time talking about the objective for the particular module with instructions on how this module will progress, the required readings, and the assignment that they have to expect. Next, I provide them with the slides for the class, copy of a PowerPoint slide. One thing I did this semester in a survey in my class, I realized that they prefer the slide to be split by lecture, so each slide here is for one single lecture. Then proceeding in the model to have a virtual lab where they can do some experiment to understand sampling distribution. They have a homework, which is just a paper homework that they have to turn in with solutions that appear after the due date. Those have to be turned in person in class. And then they also have a reading of a chapter from a book. It's called Naked Statistics, for which they have to turn in report on Canvas. So here I provide a rubric for the what they have to write for the reading. Then they go to the next set of slides, the next the next reading, and then finally the next homework. And so this will be one module for about 2.5 class, and then the similar equivalent number of assignments. Another thing that I wanted to show is what I did in what I did this semester was to show the students a few motivating movies from TED Talk. I think what I'm going to do better this semester is a better use of this movie because I realized that they were not really watching it unless I was prompting them to do more of a discussion and for grades. So I think next time I'll set up the movies more of a discussion rather than just go watch it and tell me what you think. Another things that I've been tinkering with is discussion. I am not very good at it in the sense that it's been okay, mixed result on this semester, in the sense that I think I need to learn to guide them a lot more in the discussion and how to what to read, how to read, and especially how to grade or not to grade. And so far this semester I did it for bonus point, but I think I wanted to assign a little bit more of a grade to it so that they are more incentivized to do the discussion. I'm still working on it, but I think I have to find some good topic and guide them a little more in the discussion, and we'll be successful. I think this is all I wanted to show you for now. That this is still a work in progress, but I'm quite happy so far. John can attest that I've not really been a very good student, mostly because this semester where I was incredibly busy. But I think this class really helped me into motivating myself to make it a better use of Canvas and really work through it. And already set up a better Canvas course for next semester, which I'm really excited to start. So thank you again for listening, and I'm sorry not to be there. So feel free to ask me any question and feedback, and I look forward to the comments on my site.